Hey guys, great news. We have air conditioning.
Yay!
What's the bad news?
It makes a really loud rattle and it leaks.
Yeah, it leaks so bad. We had to like make a little diaper for it.
Yeah.
Or not really a diaper, just like a little catch system.
It directs the leak away from the wall.
Yeah, because it literally stained our wall.
I know.
I know. It's
We just want working AC.
It's not ideal, but it's an improvement.
Yeah.
And we're making other progress on the garage. We've moved the wood from one place to another place.
And then to
3
another
times.
place. Yep.
Yeah. We have spread out even more.
It probably looks kind of similar to the last update.
We put a lot of time and effort into this, I think.
The cabinets are full.
The cabinets are full, yes. Yeah.
But yeah, a lot of it has been behind the scenes, behind the wall stuff. We have outlets on the ceiling now.
Yeah, outlets.
We have 240 power.
Outlets up there. The welder is plugged in and is good to go. And we have power for the eventual table saw that we're going to get that is sold out everywhere, and we're having issues there. But I think that the big update after all of that is I don't think that we're going to have our workshop ready for a first video. We thought about I definitely considered okay, maybe we can compromise in all these different ways and get a video out about the workshop as our first video. But then I'm like, no.
Yeah. Well, I mean, some pretty major things because of ordering delays wouldn't even be in yet. Oh, you're handing it to me? Oh, good. Wouldn't even be in yet. Like some ceiling mounted lights. We mentioned our table saw, which who knows when that will be in.
And there's other things too. It's we don't even have a lens that I wanted to get to film in here because things are tighter and the camera's changed and there's
things
all of that.
Things are tighter in this bigger garage. It's just tighter in one dimension.
One dimension in one space.
Specific area.
Yeah.
Figuring out the backdrop has taken a lot of time.
We've put hours and hours into figuring out what is going to be in this area. What system is it going to be? What type of shelves is it going to be? What countertop is going to be here? Do we want it to go the entire length, et cetera, et cetera? There's been a lot of considerations that go into
lots of
all
photoshopping.
Of lots of photoshopping, lots of...
The lighting here is so attractive.
Yeah, that's one thing that we want to do too. It's I kind of wanted to title it something like From Empty Garage to Fully Functioning Workshop Studio. You're leaning on your audio.
Oh, sorry.
Just in case. Yeah. But if that's the first video we put out, it
won't be fully functioning.
It wouldn't be fully functioning. And to do a project like a catio, that's a project we also want to do. We need to get this all set up. So it's we need to go in a certain order. So I think we're going to do kind of a more crafting centric video and just not have a backdrop, keep it really simple.
Something we don't need a lot of tools for since they're mostly still in boxes.
Yeah, mostly still in boxes, and also we're just missing supplies that we've ordered and things are taking a long time to come in.
Yeah.
So some of it's out of our control.
Yeah.
I think that's the route we're going to go. It's either that or put off videos for a month or two.
No, I'd rather do something crafty.
Yeah, we'll do something crafty. So I think that's the big update. What it's going to be, maybe candles.
Maybe candles. We were toying with the idea of candles because we found all the candle supplies.
Yeah, we found all the candle supplies. We're hey, let's do this.
Well, and there's a candle idea we've been wanting to do that we prepared for and bought stuff for at the old house. So it is something we've been wanting to do. There just wasn't the right time to do it. Yeah,
it's an exciting project that we want to take on. We bought the supplies probably 6 months ago.
Yes. We bought them before we did our first candle making video, we bought all of these supplies.
Wow, we bought all of them?
Yeah.
That's a while ago.
Yeah.
So it's been a long time coming. So I'm excited. It's going to be it's tough to it's what do you compromise on? Do you compromise on the setup of your garage, or do you compromise on the scope of the first video that you wanted to film here?
Well, I think we put I don't know, of our past couple months of videos, 3 of the last 4 have been not projects because we had 2 moving vlogs and house tour.
Yeah.
And so I think we kind of felt the need to do something more substantial that was more like a project. But I mean, and the candles are our project. We just wanted something. We felt we needed to go bigger.
Yeah.
And we felt like it should either be catio, because that's like the main thing everyone's requesting, or workshop setup, because that would, if there were no time constraints, that is the thing we would do first.
Wow, it looks so full.
Yeah, well, there's we have a lot of stuff.
And not all of it are in all of the cabinets yet. Like these cabinets are empty. We still need to set up one cabinet under the AC.
And a lot of this is pegboard tools. We haven't set up the pegboards.
Yeah, we need to do the pegboard, we need to do a cabinet under the AC, but we don't want to do the cabinet under the AC until the AC is done, and we have more work that's going to be done on it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, yeah. There's your update. You know, it's like I am excited about like the plan. We were quite stressed about like the timeline of it all, and I think that this is the way to keep on making content that's fun in a not super stressful way.
Yeah,
so I'm
decreasing
excited.
the scope and cutting ourselves a little bit of slack.
Wish us luck, and we'll see you in the next thing. Bye.